In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to use the model editing feature Mesh Boolean to combine and subtract parts from a model. The main feature we'll be using today is Mesh Boolean. Mesh Boolean offers 3 different operations. 1. Union combines 2 or more parts into a single part. 2. Difference subtracts the overlapping area of one part from another part. 3. Intersection creates a new part from the overlapping volume of 2 parts. Before using this feature, there's one important thing to keep in mind. Mesh Boolean can only be applied to parts within an object. So what exactly are objects and parts? An object refers to a complete 3D model file imported into the slicer. Each imported file is treated as an independent object in the scene. A part is a subcomponent within a single object. Now that we understand these concepts, let's walk through a practical example. How to create a sunflower jar using Mesh Boolean. First, let's import the pineapple jar model. To create the jar, we need to remove the pineapple leaves. To do this, right-click on the build plate and select Add Primitive, add a cube. Next, right-click and assemble the cube together with a pineapple, turning them into a single object. Adjust the position and size of the cube so that it completely covers the body of the pineapple leaves. Now, select the entire object and click Mesh Boolean. Since we only want to keep the jar, we need to subtract the cube from the pineapple jar. Choose Difference and subtract the cube from the pineapple jar. Next, assemble the trophy base together with the carrot knife to form a new object. Adjust the size and position of the sunflower as needed. Then, select this object. Choose Union to merge them into a single part. And that's it, sunflower jar. By using Mesh Boolean properly, you can create complex models by combining or subtracting simple shapes. That's all for today's tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. See you next time.